Hi everyone, my name is Jason, and you might recognize me from any of the emails that I've sent out. Maybe we've had a conversation over the phone. I occasionally like to do this. That way, through a video, you get to see, me, hopefully get a little bit of my personality, as well as being able to put a face to the name, to those phone calls and emails. If you don't know me, real quick, my wife and I own and have been doing this for a while now. We own an investment company called United Land Co., where we buy and sell raw vacant parcels, land, all over the US. Currently, our top three states are Colorado, Arizona, and Florida. And I'm making this video because maybe you've been on the fence about buying raw land. You've thought about it, you want it, you dream about it, you think of all the cool, fun ideas that you could have on it, just yourself or friends, family, but you're not really sure. A few of the questions that we get, one is, can I even afford it? Yes, is the answer. My wife and I do everything we can to make all of our properties affordable, and we give different options, a variety of different options on how you can pay to just further meet you where you're at. So instead of just trying to figure it out on your own, I'll put my number right here, as well as my website and email. Please use one of those methods to contact me, preferably my phone. I'm available most days. Would love to chat with you about it and just explore some options. No commitment, just exploring. And then another one is, do I have to get a loan? No, you don't have to. Going into those pricing options, my wife and I, what we do is we're not selling other people's land. We are buying the land ourselves and selling it ourselves. So we provide the financing opportunity there. We don't charge any interest, so it saves you so much out the gate. We can do low monthly terms to where you don't have to get a loan to pay for the land. It's just a monthly payment. And then we also don't do credit or background checks. We want to give everyone an equal opportunity to own land. And in other arenas, doing those checks might disqualify you. So we want to provide that opportunity to you. And then another question, which is a good one, is, hey, is this a good investment? Most people don't know this, but raw land is actually one of the best investments that you can make. You can spend, 5 minutes even Googling and searching what's out there and find just an exhaustive amount, countless articles, books, videos. I know because, we've gone through so many of them and they explain countless reasons, but I'll just give you a few just to make things, kind of succinct and easy. One is owning land, raw land especially, gives you freedom. It gives you basically the freedom to create the type of property, the type of life that you want. Maybe it's you've been wanting just a parcel that you can take the RV in, whether it's, a friend trip or whether it's a family trip, and just spend time together out in nature. Maybe it is having some you time and making some coffee, looking up at the stars, having a fire, making s'mores, whatever you want to do with your personal time. Or maybe it's building a home or a cabin. The point is, when you own the land, you get to do what you want on that property, within reason, of course. And then the other one is, typically landowners buy the properties with cash. That's most times what we do. And when you own the land, you have direct ownership. And what I mean by that is, it is a tangible asset. It does not wear out. Something that I love about land is that it is just less maintenance. Vacant land is so much, this is obvious, but it is so much easier to manage remotely than rental properties. And land is not subject to, wear and depreciation, theft. Across the board, land value just continues to go up and up, which is why it is such a good, secure, wise investment. And then the other thing is, again, it's affordable. It is way more affordable to buy vacant land, especially since the property taxes and fees are much lower than developed land, and then you can do things on your time frame when you have the funds available. And the last thing is really a limited supply. Many people overlook the fact that land is limited in supply, which means that its value can only rise over time. They're not making any more of it. So the time is now. Go to our website. You'll see a lot of info about the counties that we're in, the properties that we have for sale, pricing options, details, coordinates, all of that. Also, feel free to schedule time with me. I would love to chat with you, hear more about what you're looking for, see if we have something that's a good fit, and if we don't, we will find it for you. I'll leave you with this. Dave Van Horn from Bigger Pockets, who invested in raw land, said this, and I just love this. He said, "When I purchased the vacant land for my vacation home, the land value went up during the time between when I purchased it and when I developed it. I was able to use it as collateral for the construction loan, which I was eventually able to convert to a conventional mortgage without refinancing. When the project was completed, my total cost for the land and development was much lower than the retail value of the property." I love that. It's true. We've seen it time and time again, and we want to give you the opportunity to get the land that you want and have the life that you want on that property. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you.